Yo, so I'm walking along on the place, and I hear like these birds, right? And I don't know if you can hear them right now, but there's a lot of freaking birds on this tree in my backyard. And actually, they're on multiple trees, and I don't know what they're doing, but I'm gonna check it out. Look at these birds, dude. What is up with that? They're all flying off. Look at that. Look at all these birds, yo. That's so not cool. I still got a bad cough, but look at these freaking birds, man. That is just weird. I don't know. I don't get it. I really don't understand. So, yeah, that's probably the weirdest thing that happened to me today. You can probably hear them. It's like The Birds, the movie. I don't know, man. I don't know. So, yeah, just thought I'd share that with you guys. So, see you later.